I'm sure you've heard that transcription is one of the easiest way to make money online with your phone. And yes, it is. Now you're saying to yourself,
but I'm a beginner, I don't have experience. Are there companies that will employ me even as a beginner?
The answer is yes. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 transcription companies you can apply for today that will employ you even as a beginner. I'm also going to show you 5 transcription companies that accept Africans. So you can apply for these jobs as soon as you're done watching this video. Not only that, I will also show you how much you can earn per 1 audio hour you transcribe. I will equally show you the things you need to get started as a transcriptionist. So you want to stay with me to the end of this video because it's value packed. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this channel, we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, stay with me to the end of this video and do consider subscribing to the channel. Remember to hit the bell icon so you get notified each time I publish new videos. With that said, let's jump into today's video. So here are 8 transcription companies that will employ you even as a beginner. The first on my list is Rev. Rev is one of the biggest transcription companies out there and they accept beginners, which means you can sign up, take their test and get accepted as a transcriptionist without prior experience. There are lots and lots of amazing testimonials from people who are working as transcriptionists in this company. Before I talk about the remaining 7 transcription companies that will employ you as a beginner, let me quickly talk about who a transcriptionist is. If you are hearing this for the first time, a transcriptionist is one who listens to audio or video file and writes down whatever you hear the voice say in the video. So transcription is basically converting audio or video file to a text document. So transcription is basically what you can do from the comfort of your home, because all you need to become a transcriptionist or a transcriber is a listening skill, a writing skill and punctuation skill. If you can listen to an audio file and write down whatever you hear the voice say, you are good to go. To sign up on Rev and become a transcriptionist, getting paid every time for transcribing audio or video file, you need to visit their website, put up application and take their test. Once you pass the test, you'll be accepted and you start getting paid for transcription. Now on Rev, you can do transcription, you can do translation, you can also do subtitling, and these are various ways you can make money. The link to sign up on Rev, as well as other companies I will be mentioning, are contained in the description of this video. So click on the link and then it's going to take you to the platform where you are going to put up application and take the test. Second transcription company that will employ you as a beginner is TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is an amazing transcription company you can apply for today, take their test and be able to start working from the comfort of your home as a transcriptionist. The third company on my list is Scribble. I made a lot of videos about Scribble because a lot of people who work there have amazing things to say about this company. So as a beginner, you can go on and click on the link as contained in the description of this video. Sign up on Scribble, take the test, pass it, and you start getting paid as a transcriptionist. And by the way, a transcriptionist is also called a transcriber. The fourth transcription company on my list that will accept you as a beginner is Go Transcript. I love Go Transcript and their test is not that very difficult to pass. So you can take the test as many times as you can until you are able to pass it. Link is contained in the description of this video. The fifth on my list is Crowdsource. Crowdsource will accept you as a beginner with 0 experience, so you need to check them out. The 6th is 3Play Media. The 7th one is Tigerfish, and the last is Speechpad. Now, you need to understand that their hiring process as well as their requirement for each of these companies vary. So you need to read their requirements, take the test for those that require you write a test, and once you pass it, you'll be accepted as a transcriber, and then you go on to make money working from home. Now, the next interesting question in your mind is, how much can you make as a beginner? Well, on average, you make between $20 to $60 per audio hour you transcribe. Now, remember, there's a difference between 1 hour and 1 audio hour. 1 audio hour can take you 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours to transcribe, depending on your speed and your level of experience. And you are going to be paid per audio hour you transcribed. However, the amount you can make per hour for transcription depends on several factors, such as your experience, the type of transcription, whether it's medical, legal, or general, and whether you are working as an employee or as a freelancer. So you see, you can make as much as you are willing to make per day. The faster you are, the more jobs you take, and the more jobs you take, the more money you make every single day. And finally, you want to know a number of things you need as a transcriptionist to get into this job. Well, I will tell you. The first one is a computer. You will need a computer with a reliable internet connection to access audio files and transcribe them. You need transcription softwares. This will help you transcribe audio files. Some popular options include Express Scribe, InScribe, and Transcribe. 3. You need good typing skills. You will need to be able to type quickly and accurately in order to transcribe audio files in a timely manner, so you'll be able to make a reasonable amount of money on a daily basis. The fourth thing you need is knowledge of grammar and punctuation. You will need to have a good understanding of grammar and punctuation to ensure that your transcriptions are accurate and easy to read. The fifth thing you need is attention to details. You will need to pay close attention to audio files in order to transcribe it accurately. The sixth thing you need is good listening skill. This will help you be able to listen to audio files and understand the content in order to transcribe it. The seventh thing you need is familiarity with specific industry terms and jargons. Yes, this is very important. Depending on the type of transcription you want to do, you may need to be familiar with specific industry terms and jargons. For example, if you want to transcribe medical files, you will need to be familiar with medical terminologies to be able to do justice to the work. And finally, you need training or education. Some transcription companies may require you have a degree or certification in a related field or have taken a transcription course. With all this listed, you'll be able to start making money working from the comfort of your home. Now, are you getting value from this? Please give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. Also, remember to share it with your family and friends. There's someone on your list who needs to see this to learn how to make money as a transcriptionist. See you in my next video. Bye.